Okay, Obamacare expected the medical device industry nearly $30 billion over the next 10 years. Now, the new health care law includes a tax on everything from hip implants to bedpans. Now, well, the industry is fighting back. Joining us now is Daniel Moore from the Medical Device Manufacturing Association. He's also the CEO of Cyberonics, which is a medical device company. You know, the first question, Daniel, is I would ask is, when this all came out, did you guys say, why us?
Yes, there is some of why us, because, you know, we know that we provide jobs, and we've been a growing industry, and this is an industry in which we lead the world. And the last thing we think should happen in this industry is that we should put a tax on jobs, that we should put a tax on innovation, and that we should put a tax on patient care.
Well, then, also, there's another aspect to this, then. It's a lot of money. It's got to come from somewhere in the business. If it comes out of research and development, that means future innovation is either lost or is pushed down the road. And that future innovation, although it comes up in the numbers, you know, income statements and price to earnings ratios and all that stuff, it also has a human effect to it. There's also a human impact to this thing, where we're talking about people who might have been saved that otherwise, you know, but they won't be because these innovations have been pushed off.
Charles, you're right. We are all about patient care, but you know, if you go broader than that, we're impacting lives in many ways. And just starting with the economy, we know the President and Congress agree that we need to be growing our economy. We need to be growing jobs. We need to be growing our exports. And this is an industry that offers all three of those things. So whether we're impacting lives by hiring people in high-paying jobs, or doing what we do every day, and that's to provide better quality of life for patients and longevity. So you're right, we impact lives in many ways.
Well, Dan, we don't have a lot of time, but I do want to say good luck with this. I think it's outrageous, and we hope you guys win your fight. We'll talk to you again soon.
Charles,
Monica, I want to ask you about this, because $30 billion medical device, I don't know where the administration, why they targeted these guys. Obviously, they don't have the lobby that the big drug companies have, that's for sure.
Well, that's right. And there is some movement, even among Democrats, to try to repeal this because it's so noxious, this tax. I read that their first semi-monthly payment under this new Obamacare tax is an astounding $97 million. They're already talking about rolling back R&D, which you pointed out, job layoffs, and some of our most innovative companies now are talking about taking their companies overseas because of this. Yeah. And that's why now you even have Democrats saying, whoa, this was a really bad idea, maybe we should repeal this.
Yeah. I guess, you know, the sun